Hi viewers, this is Dr.R.Devi. In this video lecturing, let me explain nature and scope of human resource management. First, let me explain nature of human resource management. In every phase of life, man learns new things and makes use of those in his daily routines. This nature builds a person to develop and change from time to time. When this change is well utilized by a person to coincide the organizational and individual goal, it becomes an effective human resource management. Some of the natures are given here. First one, pervasive force. It is present in all the organization. It is the central subfunction of an organization and it parameters all types of functional management like a production management, marketing management and financial management. Each and every manager is involved with the human resource functions. Next, action oriented. HRM focuses attention and action rather than on record keeping. Written procedures or rules. The problems of employees at work are solved through national policies. Next, individually oriented. It tries to help employees develop their potential fully and also it encourages them to give their best to the organization. Under HRM, every employee is considered as an individual so as to provide services and programs to facilitate employee satisfaction and growth. Next, people oriented. HRM is all about people at work, both as individual and groups. It tries to put people on assigned jobs in order to produce good results. The resultant gains are used to reward people and motivate them toward further improvement in productivity. Then, scope of human resource management. The human resource management is a broad encompassing everything from attracting and hiring talent to managing employee relations, compensation, training and organization development. Few scopes are given here. Need analysis. In the need analysis, human resource management department has to understand the current and future workforce needs including their skills and expertise. Next, recruitment and selection. Based on the needs, recruitment and selections to be done. So in this process, strategies to attract, screening and hire qualified candidates. Talent management. In this thing, identifying and developing high potential employees. Next, change management. So if anything want to change in the organization, the HRM department should support and make changes and transitions. Culture development, providing a positive and engaging work culture in the organization. Thank you all.